All right, so here we are back looking at section 3.9 where we were dealing with some mixture problems early on. We're going to talk about solving for the average speed. And this is a common problem that you'll see in SATs. And they can trip you up, but there's one little thing you got to remember and you'll be good to go. Okay, so on Alberto's drive to his aunt's house, the traffic was light and he drove the 45-mile trip in 1 hour. However, the return trip took him 2 hours. What was his average speed for the round trip? The simplest and most straightforward way of doing this is to remember always that average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Remember, earlier in the video we talked about rate times time is equal to distance. If I wanted to get rate by itself, I'd have to divide both sides. So I'd have RT equals D. I'd have to divide both sides by T, and you get R is equal to D over T, or rate is equal to distance over time. This is the same idea over here. The average speed, which is the rate, is equal to the total distance over total time. So please keep this in mind whenever you have a problem like this. This is not going to be bad. So check it out. We need to know what was his average speed. That's what we're looking for, round trip. So we're going to just leave that as average speed. And we're going to calculate the other information. So what's the total distance? Well, the total distance was a 45-mile trip in one direction. So both directions, it would be a 90-mile trip. Okay, so 90 miles. And how long did it take? Well, it took him 1 hour in one direction, but double that time in the next direction. So 3 hours altogether. Total distance over total time is going to give me the average speed. And so the average speed would be 30 miles per hour. Not too bad, right?